Hello my loves, how are ya? Today I'll show you how to make this elegant looking messy bun that you can do in minutes. We'll begin by parting our hair and dividing into two equal sections. Then grabbing one of those, we want to make a ponytail using a clear elastic. Make an opening and bring the ponytail through this opening. Then holding our ponytail with one hand, with another one you want to tug on the edge of the created topsy tail like I'm showing here. Then you want to repeat these steps with a section left. Now we want to make another ponytail right below first one. Using a clear elastic, make an opening. So basically we will make the same topsy tail like higher, tug on the edge of the created topsy tail. Then repeat again this step. You want to repeat these steps over and over again depending on how long your hair is. Make sure to pull the hair so it will look voluminous. And repeat on other side as well. So we'll have two topsy tail braids like I'm showing. Then we want to grab one of those and pin it upwards at the base of the elastics. So this way it will stay in place all day long. And then you want to grab second one and pin it in place at the base of the elastic, creating the shape of the bun that we like. Make sure to leave some hair out, spray it. You can leave it like that, but I decided to add some accessories to make it fancy looking. And you're done! Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this beautiful, elegant, messy updo. Guys, if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified 3 times a week when I post a new tutorial. Happy Women's Day! Lovely ladies! Love you so much! Mwah! Bye!